have to look up. You ready? Okay, hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Babatunde Denise. My professional colleagues call me Babs. I'm an IT professional. Been in IT industry for over 30 years now. In my 30 years of experience, I have worked across different domains and with big names. If I go back in the last 20 years, I've worked with Dell, starting as a salesperson, and I moved on to pre-sales and then went into project. Left Dell for Oracle, where I went into Oracle as a CRM functional analyst, working on this Oracle CRM, Fusion CRM in the cloud. It was at that time where Oracle acquired Sun, and there was a need for Oracle to migrate all of the Sun microsystem install base into the Oracle database, Oracle Fusion database. Finished up that project again within Oracle. I also acted as a solutions architect, configuring and deploying the Oracle Spark technology on Solaris to Oracle large enterprise customers. Whilst with Oracle, I worked on a few projects, such as the Jaguar Land Rover project Cairo. I also worked on the London Heathrow Airport project Merlin. I worked on a few other projects that are too numerous to mention. I left Oracle and then I started private consulting, and where I went back to Jaguar Land Rover. Wasn't like Jaguar Land Rover on their PLM, which is Product Lifecycle Management, a large enterprise program, where I led the solutions architecture and I led the solutions architect team in designing, deploying the large PLM system, which is the Product Lifecycle Management System by Siemens. Left Oracle, sorry, I left Jaguar Land Rover. I joined Maersk. At that point, I deviated a little bit, went into digital transformation, went in as an agile delivery lead, where again we deployed the Salesforce.com for Maersk Logistics. So I've had over 30 years of experience. I've also worked within the public sector as well. My role at the public sector, I've worked my days at Capgemini. I've worked with the likes of DWP, where I designed and proposed a new system for the DWP, what we call national database. So this is where we proposed to move the national database into AWS Cloud, and then left AWS, went to HMRC, where we migrated the corporate audit warehouse into the cloud, designed the solution, and then worked with the Agile team in the implementation and, of course, the migration into the cloud. Left HMRC, consulted for Home Office, which is I worked on the digital services at the border, designed the architecture of the digital services at the border, which is where you have the e-gate solution. And left Capgemini. I'm currently with Boston Scientific now, where we're rolling out a massive large enterprise SAP in the cloud solution, and I'm leading the cloud architecture, and also I lead a team of 6 different solutions architects in there, designing solutions across the different domains within the SAP, from manufacturing to customer care and aftercare. So that's me. I have been involved with Ekascloud. Now the reason is I want to get my AWS professional certification done, and as part of that I've been involved, and I have been on intense 6-month course with Ekascloud on AWS. AWS, configuring AWS services from EC2 to VPC, talk about EBS, all of those different services within AWS. That's what I'm currently working on now, getting that practical hands-on on AWS. And I'm looking for my next challenge as an AWS solutions architecture at a consulting level. That is me. Feel free to ask me any question if my profile interests you, and we're more than happy to throw more light on myself. Thank you so much. And again, my name is Babs, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.